Here this transformer used for BH curve, four different tappings are given on the secondary side. Those are here, that is 10, 20 and 30 connected to this knob. Here is a variable resistor. Now this pot variable resistor of 470k 470k and one capacitor is connected, that is EKT 104K2G, and one this resistor R2 connected. This resistor is of rating 5 watt, 10 RK, 10 kilo ohm resistor connected here, and this is the primary side. This is glass fuse, and this primary voltage is given to here. This is mains, and this resistor displayed R1 is having color code brown, black, yellow, gold to this switch.